Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to InfoGamer. It's time that I give you an update on how our Season 1 Global Collaboration Project is going. Now remember, at any time if you want to join the Season 1 project and help us develop a new mobile game, you're welcome to accept our invite to our Discord server. There's a link to our Discord server in the description below. Once you join the Discord, all you have to do is send me a GitHub username so I can add you as a collaborator on the project. And remember, everyone that participates in the development of this game will have their name and their contributions added to the credits of the game. And you have our permission to include this project in your portfolios and resumes. Now, as for the Season 1 project, we've determined that the game will be a 2.5D top-down space shooter, something a lot like the old Asteroids and Maelstrom games. This game is also going to be a multiplayer game similar to that of Slither.io and Agar.io. And once this game is completed, we're going to try and make it available for free on Android, iOS, and Steam. Now we actually have a playable version of this game on our website at infogamerhub.com, and I've also included a direct link to our game in the description below. But let's actually go and look at this game so that you can see the progress of this project. Alright, so here we have our Season 1 project. I'm actually going to full screen it. Now all of this is very early stages, so don't judge it by the way it looks or anything like that. But we basically have a main menu scene with a play button and a credits button, and if we click on the credits button it'll take us to a panel that looks like this, and this is actually where we will display your name or username or whatever you want to be recognized by along with your contribution. And so once this game is out there on Android or iOS, you're going to be able to show employers or friends that you helped make this game. And so we actually have one of our subscribers, Robman2100. He has already submitted a spaceship and a star twinkle effect. He's also submitted some other stuff. I just haven't added it to the game yet. But here we have him listed with his contribution. And if you contribute to this project, then your name will also be added to this list. If we go back to the main menu and we click the play button, it loads us into a new scene. And here we have the spaceship that Robman2100 has submitted to the project. And here you can see that we have an aimer control which uses the mouse position to rotate the spaceship to look in that direction. I've also added a movement controller which will allow you to press W and then your spaceship will start boosting or adding force in the direction it's facing. I also have enabled a particle effect which makes it look like there's flames coming out of the back of the spaceship. Another control that we've added to the game is the ability to shoot lasers. And so if I left click, you can see that it instantiates a laser at the tip of the spaceship. And there's also a particle effect for the muzzle flash. And the laser travels in the direction of whichever way your cursor is pointing. Now at the moment, that's everything that I've been able to compile into one playable project. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but so far I've really loved receiving input from all of you on the Discord channel. If you'd like to give your own input and maybe even include one of your own assets in the game, then to get started all you have to do is join the Discord server. I also think it would be super cool if each person helping out with this project submitted at least one spaceship. Then we could have a whole collection of different spaceships created by different people. If you want to submit a spaceship to the project, then I would say export the 3D model as an FBX. That way we can keep it consistent, and FBXs are pretty easy to use. Now plans for this project moving forward, I'm going to keep pulling assets from the GitHub repository submitted by all of you and adding them into the project. I'm also going to be filling in the gaps and developing this project so that it can move towards completion at a steady rate. I'm then going to be updating the playable alpha of this game on our website on a weekly basis so that you can regularly see the progress that it's making. Now that's everything that I wanted to talk about and show you in this video on our Season 1 project. I really hope that you'll participate in this community and help us build this awesome global collaborative project. Also make sure that you share this video with any friends that you think might be interested in game development. And finally, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can be up to date on all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.